Hello, friends. Welcome to Pro Trading Zone. Today was an excellent day, and today the market just got ballistic. It went up in the sky at a rocket. It was an extremely good day for a trader. It was an extremely good day for a non directional trader as well as directional trader. Market just blessed with so much of money today, and market was enormously generous to give you good amount of money even though you traded for a very short period of time today. And market was basically up today because there was an excellent bullish news in bank nifty. That was the HDFC and HDFC bank. HDFC is an NBFC and HDFC bank is a bank. Both are forming one entity, that is they are merging, and it is considered to be extremely bullish by market. And the news was bang on Sunday, and on Monday it showed reaction in the market just went up 650 points, and it went up straight forward 4% to the day's high, that is approximately 1500 in the day. As market went up high over here, I decided it is long enough time that I waited. Even though I would have considered directional trading today because setup was so good today, I thought to take a trade over here. But the important pivot points I considered was not before when I saw market over here. Even though the setup was excellent here, I didn't consider this to be an ideal setup for me right now. I took a consideration that market would be in a bullish or in a bearish zone once it hits the day high. So once I saw market going sideways over here, I decided I should take a trade. But I just waited that there could be more price action that would happen, and I wanted market to be sideways, and it showed that directions it could be sideways, but I didn't take a trade over here. I just waited. I was patient enough not to take trade in a haze. Once it went up over here, I took a trade over here. But the important pivot points that I considered was 38,194, 38,394, 38,516, 38,692, 38,797, 38,908. These were the important pivot points which are drawn based on the previous week or a month's high low and the price action that has happened in the past. So depending on that, I believe that once it touched 38,692, it has formed a red candle and was showing a downward hammer. That's a reverse hammer. I believe that market would go sideways right now, and I considered four important pivot points for me while taking a trade. The important pivot points were 38,908, 38,797, 38,692, 38,516, and 38,394. So these five pivot points were important for me. Today the pivot points are more because market was carrying around everywhere, and market was moving around 4%. So they were bound to have more pivot points. So once I took a trade over here in this candle, market steadily started coming down. So over here we saw a good theta decay. Even though there was a good theta decay, I was looking at some of the negative in my PNL, but I was not bothered with it because there was some price action over here. That is, there was some even more consolidation in 3-4 candles. As market this candle in this green candle, when market came down, it immediately went up. So I was not able to exit my short put position as market was going down. I took a trade of call short and pull short in both strategies, in short strangle and short straddle. Here is the short. So we have put in a intraday short strangle position right now with 38,000 put short with a premium of 194.55 and 39,100 call short with a premium of 215.75. Right now we are looking at a profit of 14,000, that is 0.07%. The second strategy is short straddle at 38,700, and we are looking at a profit of 20,125, that is 0.09%. So as per important pivot points, if market exits 38,908, we are going to be exiting all our trades. If market exits or moves along 38,394, we are going to exit all our trades. But meanwhile, we are going to keep an eye on 38,797 and 38,516. and we have already taken a trade that are showing profit rush right now. Later, when market came down here, I was aware that market could go exponentially or can form big candles which could give big moves. So here I just exited my short put position, which made me a loss over here for a certain few minutes. But later, as market steadily moved down in immediate candles with the big red candles, I exited my market position and booked my profit over here. So you could see the shots of my booked profit. You can see as soon as we breached 38,116 with a proper formation of candle, market went down enormously, and we are exiting all our trades right now. Now we are exiting all our trades as we are making a profit of 1.55%, that is 1,40,750. We exited our trading position of pole short as soon as it breached an important pivot point, and we are looking at a loss of 1,18,375 in put short, and we are booking a profit of 2,59,125 in call short position in short straddle. In short strangle, we are looking at a profit of 1.67%, and we are looking at a loss of 58,625 in put short that we exited in when an important pivot point was breached, and we are looking at a profit of 2,000 rupees on 39,100 call short. We are exiting all our trades and booking our profit. So in totality, we were making more than 1% profit in our short straddle. So immediately I exited my short straddle and short strangle. Now we will discuss about zone trading, which helped me how to take a trade. So once I took a trade over here, I decided that 37,879 and 38,516 would be important pivot points. I would exit my directional trade over here. So in zone trading, you decide a zone where you do not take any trade once you have put in your non-directional trade. So once I put my non-directional trade over here, I would have not taken any trade between this point, this pivot point, and this pivot point. As soon as it breached over here, then only I took my put short position out. I exited my put short position. So this is what is called as a zone, and we generally do zone trading, that we do not take any trades within the zone. If you are in the zone, even though market goes up or down, we are not bothered until and unless the zone is broken. And once it went down over here, I exited my trade because it breached my one more important pivot points, and I was okay. So when market gives you money, you do not have to be very greedy and take all the profit that is available in the market. You decide for yourself that you will take up this much profit and you exit the trade, so you can have a peaceful psychology behind all your trades, and you are not bothered with uh, the movements of the market for a very long period of time in a directional trade. This is what happens in the zone trading. Now we will look at some chart patterns that form today. So here, when market just went ballistically upward, the first of the sign that gave me an understanding that market would be going straight upward was when market went up over here. Here you could see that it didn't come down more than 50% of the candle of the first 3-minute candle that was made, which means that even though market went downside, where all the position of the day before yesterday's, that is on Friday, who took would have either booked profit or booked loss immediately over this candle. But once it didn't form more than 50% below the candle, I was sure that the trade is gonna be going up only. So this is a very powerful setup for a directional trader on the first tick of the market. So as it started going up, you could see that market started to make a sideways direction over here. So I was tempted to take a trade over here, but I was also aware that market would be in a directional format again, even though there were some candles on the sideways. So I just waited, and market immediately started going up. Once it hit a 4% mark, that was 1400 to 1500 points was in the positive market. I decided that it is time to take a trade. Once I saw this red candle with downward hammer, I took a trade here, and this was a very strong chart pattern which told me that market could go directionally downwards because it was on my pivot point and it was a downward red reverse hammer. I took a trade over here with the consideration that market would be going exponentially down, so I have to be ready. When I exited my trade over here, market just fell into one good channel that was between 38,194 and 38,394. Between this candle, market started going up and down. Even though it showed a W pattern over here, I told in the short that if there is some price action above this point, you should take a long trade over here. That is, you could have bought call position or you could have sold put short position here. But again, market beautifully went inside the channel pattern and it created double double top and triple bottom. And here the important point was that I predicted this W could give an expansion move. Over here it create a problem, but as soon as I saw this proper W pattern which was formed in not more than an hour's trading, and a W pattern is very powerful when it takes at least 1 hour to form. So this was idealistic setup for a exponential move towards upside. Once it crossed over here and it made a candle in green and was showing some price action here, that is on the sideways or creating green and red candles, I was assured that it will hit the day's high. So it went on the sideways, and the second zone that formed over here was 3 38394 and 38516. So in zone trading we divide things into zone patterns. So here also there was a zone and I would have taken a non-directional trade over here, but as we made profit in the market, I didn't do anything. And once it breached over here, that was 38,516, it exponentially went up to the day's high. So our prediction was right and it hit the target before the day's end. And this is how you do a zone trading with the help of channel chart patterns and channels that you form in the market. Today's day was excellent and I have put in so many live shots in my YouTube channel that you could have followed and you would have made good money. But before you take any trade, do your own research, understand what fundamentals are in process. Please look into the option Greeks. Is it favoring you? If you want to learn about option Greeks, please search option Greeks by Pro Trading Zone. You will get an in-depth understanding what are option Greeks and how to use in a live trading session. So that's it for today. If you liked my channel, please subscribe, like, share with your friend. Come to the live trading session, look at the shorts, make your day by making good profit. Thank you.